Hi guys, Dominic here with IRPINO Real Estate. We're excited to introduce you to our newest listing here in the Harbor Ridge community in Zion. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, gorgeous home with vaulted ceilings, large fenced-in yard, 2-car garage. But before we take you inside to see this updated home that's absolutely beautiful, we want to show you the neighborhood. You've got parks, walking paths, jogging paths, biking paths. You got the lakefront not far away with a beautiful harbor, and there's a train station and downtown Zion just a few blocks away. You guys ready? Welcome to 3504 Wembley Drive.